Why your brain is addicted to distraction. Look at yourself for a moment. You say you can't focus, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is your brain has been trained to run away from effort. Every short video you watch, every time you check your phone, every time you switch tasks after 10 seconds, you're teaching your brain something dangerous. You're teaching it that distraction is easier than thinking, and slowly, your ability to focus starts disappearing. Not in years, in months. But here's the strange part. Your brain wasn't designed to live like this. It was trained, and anything that was trained can be retrained. Pain amplification. Look at a normal day in your life. You open your phone for one message, then you check a video, then another, then another. Suddenly, 30 minutes are gone, and you don't even remember what you watched. You sit down to work, but your mind keeps searching for stimulation. You check your phone again. You open another tab. You switch tasks, again and again. By the end of the day, something feels strange. You were busy, but nothing meaningful happened. Books feel boring. Work feels exhausting. Even simple thinking feels hard. And here's the dangerous part. Your brain slowly loses its patience for effort. Psychological reveal. Here's the truth. Your brain runs on a reward system. It's called dopamine. Every notification, every like, every short video gives your brain a quick reward. Small, fast, easy. When this happens all day, your brain gets used to instant rewards. So when real work appears, which is slow and difficult, your brain rejects it. Not because you're lazy, because your brain has been overtrained for distraction. Solution preview. But here's the good news. Your brain is extremely adaptable, which means the same brain that learned distraction can learn focus again. You just need to retrain it, and it starts with 5 simple rules. The system. 1. Protect your first hour. Most people lose their focus before their day even begins. They wake up and immediately grab their phone. Messages, reels, news, notifications. Within minutes, their brain is already flooded with stimulation, and the day hasn't even started. So do this instead. For the first 30 to 60 minutes after waking up, no phone, drink water, look at sunlight, move your body. Start your day slowly, because the way you start your morning programs your brain for the rest of the day. 2. Reduce easy dopamine. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain is not tired. It's overstimulated. When you consume fast entertainment all day, your brain loses tolerance for slow rewards. So, reduce easy dopamine. Less random scrolling, less short videos, less checking your phone every few minutes. You don't need to quit everything. Just reduce the frequency, and slowly your brain resets. Simple things start feeling interesting again. Focus begins to return. 3. Train your focus muscle. And this is where most people fail. They expect focus instantly, but focus is a mental muscle, and muscles grow with training. Start small. Choose one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. No phone, no switching, just one task. Then take a short break. Repeat. At first, your brain will resist. That's normal. You're breaking an addiction. But with practice, your focus becomes stronger. 4. Make distraction harder. Right now, distraction is too easy. Your phone is always in your pocket. Your apps are one tap away. So your brain takes the easy path. Change the environment. Put your phone in another room while working. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Remove the most addictive apps. Because the harder distraction becomes, the easier focus becomes. 5. Relearn boredom. And this might be the most important rule. Allow yourself to be bored. Most people escape boredom immediately. They grab their phone, open an app, play something. But boredom is where your brain resets. It's where your mind starts thinking again. It's where ideas appear. Creativity grows in silence. Focus grows in stillness. If your brain never experiences boredom, it never rebuilds attention. Identity shift. This isn't just about productivity. It's about who controls your mind. Right now, most people are controlled by algorithms. Their attention is constantly pulled in different directions. But the moment you take control of your focus, you separate yourself from the crowd. Most people scroll, a few people think, and the people who think deeply are the ones who build extraordinary lives. Control your mind, control your life, because the person who masters their mind masters their entire future. If you're serious about mastering your mind, comment, "I'm ready," and subscribe to Mindcore Theory, because this channel isn't about motivation, it's about understanding the mind. And once you understand the mind, you stop reacting to distractions. You start controlling them. Execute, don't negotiate. This is Mindcore Therapy.